Welcome to Capital Quality's webinar on concept development. To provide ongoing support for the Capital Quality on-site administrators, the Office of the State Superintendent of Education, in partnership with Hurley and Associates, is implementing a series of community of practice for principals, center directors, and home care providers. This community of practice series is part of an ongoing effort to build capacity and knowledge as it relates to addressing the 10 quality indicators articulated in Capital Quality's Continuous Quality Improvement Plan. This webinar is an edited recording and presentation of the community of practice conducted on Friday, July 21st and Saturday, July 22nd of 2017. This community of practice provided participants with a series of research-based practices and activities as it relates to increasing concept development as defined by the class. It also afforded participants an opportunity to meet and engage in team and relationship building activities with fellow Capital Quality participants and quality facilitators. This presentation is part of a series of community of practices designed to build the skills and competency level of providers participating in Capital Quality. This month's session will provide Capital Quality community updates and an overview of concept development as defined by the class. Additionally, it will provide an overview of upcoming professional development opportunities identified by Kids Comprehensive, Inc. Lastly, the community of practice includes information on upcoming community of practices and next steps for the Capital Quality community. June's community of practice, led by ICF, focused on lesson planning. The session assisted participants in developing high-quality lesson plans aligned with current curricula and DC's Common Early Learning Standards. Please watch June's community of practice for more information. It is available on the OSCE website. Over the last few months, the Capital Quality community has been working towards points of quality. You have accomplished a lot. Currently, providers are working on reviewing environments and culturally and linguistically responsive practices. Also, participating providers are reviewing curriculum needs and assessing their inclusion strategies. Kudos to everyone who has completed the first 5 elements on the Continuous Quality Improvement Plan. Your assigned quality facilitator will work with you to identify materials for your first incentive. We are so pleased to highlight your progress and your commitment to Capital Quality. According to Teachstone, concept development describes an intentional approach by the teacher to connect concepts across activities and bring concepts to life by applying them to a child's everyday world. Concept development is comprised of 4 distinct areas. Area 1, analysis and reasoning. Area 2, creating. Area 3, integration. And Area 4, connections to the real world. This is a brief illustration of the 3 domains and 10 dimensions included in the pre-K class tool. Today, we are focusing on concept development, one dimension within the instructional support domain. Using your My Teachstone access, let's take a moment to watch the video encouraging children to brainstorm about grilling. As you watch the video, take a few moments to draft a response to each of the following questions. Question 1. How do the children respond to the teacher's questions? Question 2. What are some benefits of asking open-ended how and why questions? Question 3. How can you promote critical thinking when teaching a basic skill? And question 4. Identifying additional questions that the teacher could ask to assist in building concept development. Let's pause the presentation and watch the video. Record your thoughts on a piece of paper and then restart the presentation when you're ready to continue. Okay, welcome back. Let's examine concept development in greater detail. One area within concept development is analysis and reasoning. What did you notice? Did you notice how the teacher asked open-ended questions? The teacher encourages children to problem solve and the logistics of their idea to grill a taco. How would we do that without falling apart in the grill? Another area is creating. What did you notice? Did you notice the teacher asking the children to brainstorm what types of food the class could grill in the dramatic play area? The children respond with many possibilities: bacon, tacos, peanut butter, and jelly. Another area is connections to the real world. What did you notice? To make information more meaningful for children, the teacher relates the discussion to their lives, explaining that chicken breast or boneless chicken is what Miss Keaton cooks here for lunch. Think for a moment what additional questions you could ask to support concept development. Maybe you're thinking of questions assisting children with making connections within their own lives. Maybe they have a family that grills and ask what food their family may want to grill at home. One way to understand concept development is by using Bloom's taxonomy. The color pyramid describes the process of moving from remember to understand, followed by apply. As an individual or child applies knowledge, they are able to analyze, evaluate, and create. Please review Good Thinking, Fostering Children's Reasoning and Problem Solving by Nacy. Key ideas about children's thinking include: 1. Young children are capable of developing reasoning and problem-solving skills. 2. Children's early reasoning and problem-solving skills support their later development and learning. And 3. Early childhood educators can foster children's reasoning and problem-solving. Please discuss the article and Nacy handout with your quality facilitator. How do teachers facilitate children's broad understanding of concepts and ideas? According to Teachstone, in the classroom, the teacher's role is to constantly make connections to children's learning. Children learn best when they can tie in information, images, and knowledge to something they can really relate to. For example, the house area is an ideal opportunity for children to reenact occurrences or actions they witness at home. Children in the house or dramatic play area can practice making meals, selling items from their favorite store, being a caregiver to a younger sibling, as well as play gender and family roles such as big sister, aunt, or mother. Children also enjoy dressing in adult clothing and costumes because it enhances their imagination about people in the community or fantasy characters. Coaching your staff as it relates to increasing concept development in your pre-K classrooms can be a daunting task. Determining how a director helps their staff actively engage students as it relates to building understanding and concepts is very challenging. A valuable resource to assist you and your staff in building an understanding of concept development is to actively use My Teachstone, the online professional development tool. The site has several demonstration videos illustrating concept development. The site also includes links and supplemental materials to further assist you in understanding concept development. As we think about concept development, we want to think about strategies to remember as you work with children. As you interact and talk to children throughout the day, remember that you should 1. Encourage the use of analysis and reasoning skills. 2. Link concepts to previous learning and across activities. 3. Apply concepts to the real world and children's lives outside of the classroom. 4. Encourage children to produce ideas and materials to learn. And 5. Encourage children's creativity. Did we accomplish everything? Did we discuss the meaning and importance of concept development? Did we discuss ways to encourage concept development amongst young children? And did we help you adopt strategies to use throughout the day to support concept development? Kids Comprehensive, the organization responsible for implementing the Child Care Resource and Referral System, publishes a quarterly catalog for providers outlining current professional development opportunities. The summer catalog is currently available. Please visit the OSSI website to download a copy of the most current catalog. Reminder: all providers must participate in training on the 12 indicators for health and safety by 2017. In addition, all providers now have access to Quorum, Kaplan's online professional development tool. Please register today to gain access to Quorum. EC Share DC is an online sharing platform for providers designed to help providers in sharing up-to-date knowledge and resources. Over 1,000 classroom and administration resources plus vendor discounts are available on the site. To access the site, please visit www.ecshardc.org. That's www.ecsharedc.org. Establish a profile, and a team member from EC Share DC will contact you to complete registration. You will need your center license on hand to register. Quality facilitators will be supporting Capital Quality participants in addressing Capital Quality's 10 elements included on the Continuous Quality Improvement Plan goals. Previous Community of Practice videos are currently available on the OSSI website, as well as other Capital Quality information. August Community of Practice will focus on formal and informal assessments. It will be held August 25th and 26th from 1 to 3 p.m. All videos of the presentation will be archived on the OSSI website. We are always available. Please follow us on Twitter and Facebook. Please visit the OSSI website for up-to-date information. Also, please feel free to contact Catherine Kagera, Rashida Brown, or Pillow Parker for information related to Capital Quality.